time. I got some stuff I'll show you guys when I get back to my hotel. I'm gonna, you guys look, I found, I'm here inside of the Galleria, and I found some Galleria posties, and of course I got a tiramisu. Lush. The guys at Lush were so sweet, and they were just so sweet, and I love them. Two of the most, they were just adorable Italian guys. But anyways, so they gave me a lot of samples too. They're like, they went sample crazy. They gave me a sample. They told me I needed to try the Fairly Traded Honey shampoo, because listen, I'm all about the honey. I'll talk about that more later, but the body wash I've been using for years is the Honey I Wash the Kids from Lush. It's made with real honey. When I tell you I'm honey obsessed, I'm selling on my website the honey and castor oil mixture I use on my lashes and on my eyebrows and on my face and on my hair, on my edges. But as far as body wash, I don't make my own body wash. I don't really know if I can do that. So I buy it, but when I tell you I've gone honey crazy. I use honey on literally everything. So I ran out of my body wash, so I went and got another one, always getting travel size because I'm always traveling. And that'll last me about 3 weeks. I don't know. It goes afar, and it's really good. It's got real honey in there, and it's really good for making your skin glow and all that good stuff. And then they put me on, they're like, you need to try the chocolate body wash. I was like, chocolate body wash? They're like, chocolate body wash. So oh my gosh, it smells exactly like chocolate. It smells like you're smelling a Hershey's chocolate bar. And it's chocolate body wash. It foams, it suds, and you use it on your body, and it's just supposed to be really good for like removing dead skin and making your skin glow. Chocolate has a lot. One time I got a chocolate massage when I was in Amsterdam. Like, they literally covered me in chocolate, hot chocolate, melted chocolate, and massaged me. And it's just supposed to be really good for your skin glow and getting rid of dead skin and all that other stuff. So I got a chocolate body wash from Lush, and they gave me this for free. They said you need to try these. Okay, so it's eye patches. I'll show you them later, but you put it over your entire eye. Okay, and then I told you guys about Mount Vesuvius. Mount Vesuvius is here in Napoli, and volcanic soil is always great for growing crops. That's why I got my honey here for my eyelash and eyebrow and edge serum. You can buy one from me down below in the link down below. I mixed the Napoli honey with castor oil, and it's what I use to grow my brows, eyelashes, edges, whatever. In general, to grow crops at Mount Vesuvius, because that acidic volcanic soil is so good for medicinal reasons. So I found a shop. This is like straight up my alley. I found a shop of like, it's like a natural remedy shop. She sells all these different teas that have like medicinal health benefits, and she sells all these spices, and she sells coffee beans, and she sells herbs and spices and teas, and she grows all of it in next to Mount Vesuvius with that volcanic soil. So all of her stuff is so good for you. Like, it all has medicinal benefits. And she said, I was like, just recommend me something to try. I'm gonna put her shop in the link below. If you come to Napoli, definitely check out her shop. She was like, definitely try my green tea that I grow in Mount Vesuvius, that with the volcanic soil. She's like, try my green tea that I grow at Mount Vesuvius. So that's what I tried. She gave me I don't know how many grams this is, whatever size this is. She gave me this much tea, and she said it's so good for like bloating. It really, really de-bloats you, and she said it's so good for metabolism. And she gave me the vanilla flavor. Like, she makes this stuff herself, so it's literally like packaged by her. And yeah, this stuff is so good, made and grown at Mount Vesuvius. I was like, that's so cool. She also sold coffee, but I'm not a coffee drinker. And then she gave me her business. All of her stuff, all of her spices, all of her teas, everything is grown at Mount Vesuvius. So it's so good for you. That's why I got my honey here, you guys, I'm using on my eyebrows and eyelashes and edges. And you can buy it from me. If there's any left down below, in the link down below, I'll link it, because the honey here is amazing, because it's made it with the Mount Vesuvius soil, with the flowers where the bees pollinate. So it's just amazing honey with crazy medicinal benefits. But if you buy my honey castor oil, make sure do not eat it. It's for your hair. Anyways, so then she's like, I hand make these cups. Ever since I started crocheting, I just have a newfound love for people who make stuff with their hands. I'm gonna make myself some tea tonight. She said this tea is amazing for de-bloating you. And it's cute, but it's loose leaf tea, so she said just avoid the leaves, you know. So that's what I got from her. And then at Sephora, the only makeup I wear is concealer and mascara. So I've been trying to find the best concealer, being that I sweat my butt off every day. It's so hot in Italy. Like, I don't know if you've come here recently, but somebody commented on my video the other day, and they're like, what? Is she always sweating? The last month that I've been in Italy, yes, I am sweating. I'm covered in sweat. It's so hot, and I walk 20,000 steps a day. I need to find a good concealer. So since it's the only makeup I wear, I want it to work really well. So I've been testing out all these different concealers, and someone recommended to me the Fenty. This is the first thing I've ever bought Fenty. So I'm very excited to try this concealer out. Actually, I tried it in the store, but yeah. This is my concealer in 400. I have it on my eyes right now, under my eyes right now, but of course it's like old and I don't know. I'm very excited to try this. I'm new to makeup. I didn't wear makeup for the past 7 years, and I just recently started wearing makeup. I wear concealer and mascara on the lashes, and it's fun. And mascara, I also am on the hunt for a better mascara, because this one definitely runs under my eyes. Like, I get several times a day, I get black marks under my eyes, but it's because my bottom lashes are long. But anyways, so then I got a glycolic acid. I go through these constantly. My other one just ran out, so I'll probably go back and get another one because I also use this on my body. I don't wear deodorant. I just use this, and because deodorant is, I don't want to go there about the deodorant conversation, but I don't smell, okay? And my armpits never are sweating. So anyways, I use this under my arms, and I also, my armpits don't really sweat. I noticed that. Like, I'll sweat on my face and head and body, but my armpits never get sweaty. So anyways, yeah, I got glycolic acid. I also got a niacinamide because I ran out. Love niacinamide. Just a little bottle. And then I wanted to try out a new moisturizer because I ran out of my old one. And this is the Belief. I'm all about rich moisturizers. Heard a lot of good things about this, so I got the small travel size one, Belief, the True Cream. So we'll see how that goes. And then I just sent a bunch of postcards, and that's everything I got today. So tonight I'm gonna do a little self-care. I sent a lot of postcards today. So, and then I got a lot of new postcards. So I need to fill out more postcards tonight, and I'll touch base with you guys again in a few hours. If you haven't heard the news, I made for you guys my secret sauce, which is my castor oil and honey mixture that I used to grow back my eyelashes and my eyebrows. And I also use it on my edges. It's castor oil mixed with honey. I used to wear eyelash extensions, and then I ripped all my eyelashes out. I also used to wax my eyebrows all the time. And then one day I was like, imagine how much money I would save. A lot. And imagine how much time I would save if I just wore what I had and maintained what I had. So I no longer wax my eyebrows. I let them grow in thick the way they are now. This is my brows and my lashes. I just let them be. I made the castor oil and honey mixture with Italian honey. It's this exact honey. I have a million of these bottles for myself. But I literally went on Amazon, bought a bunch of mascara containers and mixed castor oil with this Mount Vesuvius honey. That is so good for you, your skin, your hair. I literally use it on my hair, on my head, and also medicinal reasons. I'm about to use it in a face mask, but it's the same honey that I have in the castor oil honey mixtures I made. If there are some left, you can grab on my website. I literally made them myself. Honey mixture. So if you want to buy one of my castor oil honey mixtures handmade by me with Italian honey from Mount Vesuvius, that same honey that I used in my eyebrow, whatever, is this same honey. And I'm going to make a face mask. I've got this little convenient little cup I just bought with the girl. And I mix turmeric. Turmeric is so good for your face to use in masks, right? It treats scars from getting worse. I don't really know how much you can do with like already existing scars, but it stops like if you have like a healing scar on your face, it will stop it in its tracks and get rid of it. And also, turmeric is so good for anti-aging. It keeps your skin looking young, which I'm trying to do. I'm 27 and I want to keep I'm about to be 28 this year, and I want to keep having people be like, oh, you're 28, which they do all the time because of the turmeric. I'm joking. But yeah, it keeps your skin looking young and forever, and it's just so good for you. I literally have no idea how much I put. But I'm gonna go back to that girl and get more. Saffron eye masks. Wait a minute. I was gonna say, how the heck? Okay, I might need to lay down and do this. I'm gonna lay down because these are like, I'm using my glycolic acid, the last little bit I have, because I just got a new one today. I told you guys I use this on my armpits instead of deodorant, and it keeps your armpits smooth. My armpits are really smooth and even toned. And I'm just trying to use this up because I got a new one today. I'll show you guys how I use my castor oil and honey. It's very thick. That's why I say use it at night. I go that way. That's why I say use it at night, because it's very thick. But when I tell you, your lashes and eyebrows be growing like crazy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You guys can use the link down below if you want to buy one I made for you. You go to sleep, you wash your face, right? When you wake up, you wash your face. When I tell you, your brows will be so soft and manageable. It's like a mask. Honestly, it's like an overnight mask. Your brows will be so soft. To bed, I'm not washing my hair tonight, so it's going up in this bun. I think I'll do part 2 tomorrow. When I do my hair. Tomorrow's gonna be hair day. Start to finish. It's a long process because my hair is just so good for your brows and lashes and edges and your hair in general. But if you guys want to get one from me, I'll put the link down below. It includes 2 bottles, not just one, because you're gonna need 2. I noticed that when I was putting them on my website, I was like, one's not gonna do, like one is not gonna get you there, you know? So it includes 2 bottles. Yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Pretty sure it's gonna be me doing my hair start to finish because my hair needs some love. And yeah, I'll sign up for my postcard program if you would like to receive postcards from me. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.
Phyllis, did you know that in China there are 56 cities with over 1 million people? You know how many we have here? 9.
Actually, that's not true. I know the figure you're referring to, and it's a projection of 15 years from now.
My God. No, that is right now.
Michael, China's agrarian. Urbanizing fast, you betcha. But still agrarian.
Most in terms of land, not population.
Come on, Michael.
No, you're wrong about this.
Where are you getting this information?
I got it from NewYorkTimes.com.
Uh-oh, getting nervous, Oscar?
Okay, someone look it up.
I'm on it, Jim. I'm on.
Guys, it's not worth it, really. Guys, this is not worth our time.
Are you watching this? Seriously? Well, are you? I'm sitting right here.
Got it. China has 56 cities with a population of over 1 million. The U.S. has 9.
Suck it, Oscar.
Well, on the plus side, all this worrying about China has made you smarter than Oscar.
Great.
I was wrong.